In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo an import to Google Calendar. Perhaps you've added a set of events that you realized you no longer need, or maybe there was an error in the import process. No worries, I'm here to guide you through the steps to effectively remove those unwanted entries from your Google Calendar using a desktop web browser. First things first, you'll want to open Google Calendar in your browser. Once you're on the Google Calendar homepage, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the section labeled My Calendars. This is where all your calendars are listed, and you'll need to figure out which one contains the events you imported. Now, next to each calendar, you'll see a set of 3 vertical dots, commonly known as the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots for the calendar where you imported the events. A menu will appear. From the options provided, choose Settings and Sharing. This will take you to a new page that provides various settings options for your calendar. On the Settings page, scroll down until you reach the section titled Integrate Calendar. This part is crucial as it allows you to confirm the specific calendar that has the imported events. Make sure you're looking at the correct one. Once you've confirmed you're working with the right calendar, you can exit out of the settings page and return to the main calendar view. Now it's time to look for those unwanted entries. Typically, imported events are grouped either by date or by having a similar or identical event title. They often stand out because they're in blocks, making them easier to spot. With the events located, the next step is to delete them. Clicking on a single event will reveal a trash icon, which represents the delete option. Simply click this trash icon to remove the event. However, if you're dealing with a large number of events, there's a more efficient way. Switch your calendar view to the day, week, or month option. From these views, you can select multiple events simultaneously, making the deletion process faster. So there you have it, a simple walkthrough on how to undo an import on your Google Calendar. Using these steps, you can tidy up any unnecessary or unwanted events, keeping your calendar organized and up to date. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep your scheduling seamless and accurate by regularly maintaining your Google Calendar. Feel free to reach out with any further questions or if you need additional assistance. Happy calendaring!